Starting with the accounting vouchers. So F4 Contra Voucher. So that means purely related to cash and bank nature. So coming to that, what kind of transactions we need to enter? So like the following transactions are recorded in this voucher. Like first one, the cash deposited in bank, cash withdrawn from bank. And next one, cash transferred from one bank to another bank. Cash transferred from cash to petty cash and vice versa. So vice versa means reverse. So cash to petty cash or petty cash to cash. So if any transactions are related to these four types, so we need to record under contra voucher. And coming to that, this contra voucher can be works with the single entry system or double entry system. Note first point. So this voucher can be prepared in single entry system or double entry system. To change the voucher mode, we need to use Control H. And if you are working with the double entry system, so first we need to enter credit account. That is a mandatory. So without the credit account, the debit account cannot be entered. So first, by default, we need to go with the credit account. It's a mandatory. What kind of transactions we can record and what are the important points we can use it. And when we are working here, so we need to go with the automated calculation, right? For that purpose, we need to use the shortcut key Alt C. So this shortcut key will be used in two ways. First one, this can be used to create the information like ledgers, groups, anything else. We can go for the create. And coming with the second level, so we can go with the auto calculation and result will be declared. Result will be declared on the amount column. So if you want to create the information, so cursor should be in the particulars column. And if you want the auto calculation, so the cursor should be in the debit or credit column. If you can go with the auto calculations, all these informations will be comes with the contra voucher. Okay. And now we are preparing the basic entries. So that means no inventory, no taxation, nothing. So just we are preparing the accounting. So I'm just going with the creation of a basic company and we can go with the one by one maintenance of it. And no need to go with the create menu, accounting master, inventory, nothing. So directly from vouchers, we are going to prepare the information. So at a time we are entering the vouchers and we'll create what are the informations required for us. Okay, that's we can go for it. So the first step, we are going to create a company with the real time. Okay, I'm just taking one of the company address details and everything. I'm just preparing the same. So here, if you want to create a company, we need to go with the create company and the company window will be open. And coming to here, first we need to press the backspace. And here we need to go with the select from drive. we need to select the path where we need to store. The path will be comes here. Next, so I'm just creating the company name as Redeploy Private Limited. Mailing name is also Redeploy Private Limited. So coming with the address part, I was creating the address. So max to max, we need to go with the 3 to 4 lines. Okay. And next we need to go with the state. So Telangana. Pin code. The pin code I was creating is the 5,81,000. And next go with the telephone number. We don't have any telephone number, just leave it off. And coming with the mobile number, I'm just giving the basic mobile number. So we can't able to give the official numbers, right? So that's why. And coming with the, nowadays no one is using with the fax number. If you want the fax number, we can enter here. But I don't require any fax number, go for it. And email ID, I'm just giving like info@redeploy.in. And website, I'm just giving www.redeploy.in. And coming to here, I'm just going with the financial year beginning from. Is from the 1st April 2026. So next we need to go with the books beginning from. So books beginning from is also from 1st April 2026. So I'm just giving the same. Base currency is okay. Let's go with the saving. So save it. And after saving the company details, first we'll be having the company features. And as already mentioned, we are working with the basic information. So that means we need to go with show more features, show all features. We can get all the features in the Tally software. We require only the accounts. So we need to activate maintain accounts. And next we need to deactivate the remaining information like enable bill wise details. And we need to go with the inventory, GST, and all the informations we need to deactivate. Press enter or control A. So that the features are activated and we got the company.